Hello children, how are you all? Hope all are fine. Finished your daily work children? What are those? Yes, there are some 7 daily routines, right? That you have finished. Every day you are doing your yoga or exercise. Yes? Yes, once you come to school, no? You have to tell me the poses. What are those poses of yoga? ಅದು ಹೇಳಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ. Then with the little Ellie prayer you have to learn some small shlokas also. You have to do children because that will increase our eternal energy. Eternal energy says internal energy. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಮಾನಸಿಕವಾಗಿ ಅದು ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು ಪವರ್ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? Every day you are doing, no? Yes. Today we are going to learn little bit about safety rules. What do you mean by safety rules? What are those? Yes, electric. Leave far from the electric. Leave in a safety place. Don't go near fire. Don't go near gas stove. So many are there, no? Today I am going to teach you little about that. First one is do not touch the medicines. What is that safety rule? Do not touch the medicine. Why you should not touch the medicine? Yes, because it is very precious and helpful to a person who is taking that for their good health. ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಯಾರಾದರೂ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ ತಗೊಂತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಆ ಮೆಡಿಸಿನ್ನ ತುಂಬಾ ಅಗತ್ಯ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಇಫ್ ಯು ಟೇಕ್ ಎನಿ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಸ್ಯೂಲ್ and if you touch in your bare hand and the germs will collect on that. Correct, no? Otherwise, if any syrup bottle is there, if you keep the lid loose, if neither tighten that one, if you keep the lid loose, then the syrup will fall down or the content may turn into bacteria or germs. So do not touch the medicine. Okay? Yes, next one. Do not put your fingers in the electric plug. Correct, no? In the electric circuit, we should not put your finger because then your finger will be very small. If you put one finger inside that hole, the electric shock will touch to you. You will get an electric shock. Okay, so do not touch the circuit. Do not hang out of a window. Correct. You should not peep out of the window. Not from the single floor, not from the upper floors. Okay, when you start seeing or hang on the window, you may fall down accidentally. You have seen alla ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಆಟ ಆಡುವಾಗ ಬಗ್ಗಿ ಮಾಡಿಯಿಂದ ಬಗ್ಗಿ ನೋಡಿ ಬಿದ್ಬಿಟ್ರು ಅಂತೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ. ಸೊ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ದ ವಿಂಡೋ ಆರ್ ಪೀಕ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ವಿಂಡೋ ವಿಚ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೇರ್, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು ಓಪನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅದರಿಂದ. Next, do not touch any electric gadgets. Electric gadgets means which are those? Like iron box, electric cooker, fan and all. You should not touch it because it will be running from the electricity, right? The electric will be passing for that. If you touch, you may get a shock. Okay? Do not play with the sharp things. For example, knife, screwdrivers and all. You should not play with the sharp things because you may get a cut and the blood may come out. It may also cause a dangerous injuries. Okay? Next, do not talk to strangers. Correct, no? Do not talk to strangers. Why you should not talk to strangers? Yes, they may be a robber or they may be a thief. Correct, no? Strangers who are unaware of you and your parents, you should not talk to them. You should not open the door when you are alone. Okay? Do not play on the road. Correct? Why you should not play on the road? You can play, no? The road is very calm. The road will be big. You can play, no, on the road? No, you should not play on the road. That too with the balls. Only you can do the cycling because the vehicles will be passing fastly on the road. You may get accident. That's why do not play on the road. Next is always wait in a queue for a bus. Correct. When the bus comes, you should not go and step in hurry because some may push you or you may fall on the road or under the bus. So you should maintain a queue before stepping into a bus. Do not put your head out of a running bus. Okay, you should not put a head on a running bus because other vehicles may come and hit your head. That's why you should not put a head out of the bus. Do not get in or get down from a running bus. Correct? No, you should not get in or get out of a running bus or running train. Correct? No, if the train marched or the bus started moving, you should not run and go inside. And you may slip and go down to the bus or down to the train. The last one, always cross at the zebra crossing. Correct? Yes, children. Always you need to cross with the zebra crossing. What is that zebra crossing? How it will look? Yes, it will be like a strips of white and black, white and black. When the signal stops for the vehicles, one green signal will be there to move you. That signal will be in the shape of human only. ನೋಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಮನುಷ್ಯ ತರ ಒಂದು ಸಿಗ್ನಲ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ಕಲರ್. ಅವಾಗ ನಾವು ಈ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ಆ ಕಡೆಗೆ ಪಾಸ್ ಆಗಬಹುದು. ದಟ್ ಟು ಆನ್ ಎ zebra line. Okay, it is very important that we should follow the safety rules in order to keep ourselves away from any accident. ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮನ್ನ ಸೇಫ್ಟಿಯಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ರೂಲ್ಸ್ನ ಫಾಲೋ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. Listen to your parents at home and follow their advice. Yes, at home your mama papa will be advising you what to do, what to touch and what not to touch. Please follow that rules. Always walk on the footpath. Okay children, you need to walk on a footpath. Don't walk in the middle of the road. Okay, this is the revision review of your safety rule. Already we learned about this so many times. Only for the revision I did this safety rule. Okay, now I am going to read one rhyme for you. Which is that rhyme? Can anyone tell me which rhyme do you want? Yes, when you come to the Zoom meeting, no, you have to tell me which rhyme do you like to hear. That only I will tell you, children. Now I am going to read a Mary had a little lamb. Okay, one second. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, her fleece was white as snow. Everywhere where Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. Everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. It followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was against the road. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see the lamb that's cool. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece white as snow. Okay children, this is one small rhymes. Okay, if you want to hear some other rhymes, you just let me know. I will teach you in the next classes. Okay, now we will start with our class as usual, maths. Till now what you learned in the maths? Yes, we learned the numbers 1 to 70. Today we are going to learn number 71 to 80. Okay. Okay, I'll start writing the number. Just go through that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. Correct? No? Till here we learned from 1 to 70. Today we are going to learn for 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. Okay? This is a new numbers what we learned, that is 71 to 80. We learned a new number 71 to 80. As I am telling you, this is nothing but addition of 10 to the previous number. 61 ಗೆ ನಾವು 10 ನ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 71. 62 ಗೆ 10 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? 72. This is nothing but a 10 number addition of 10 number to the previous number of the same line. Okay? This is a 71 to 80. Today we learned 71 to 80. As I was telling you, every time you can make this as your fun activity. How you can add this using the beads, or you can add this with using some nuts or some dolls or with the germs. Everything you can use it for a counting, and otherwise you can collect some stones and make a group of 10 and you can start adding this one. Okay, this is the number preview from 1 to 80. Okay children, yes, the homework is in a 4 lines book. Okay, in your 4 lines book, write the numbers 1 to 81 children. This is your homework. Yes, it's a small homework for you. Shall we move to next class? Yes. Next class is Hindi. Okay, I am taking the language in between. Next class is Hindi. Till now, what we learned, children, in the Hindi? Yes, the letters. Shall I start writing? A, E, U, O, R, E, the letters from A, I, E, U, Ru, A, O, Au, Aha. After that, the Vyanjanas we started. Kha, Kha, Gha, Gha. Then what else? Kha, Kha, Ga, Ga, Nya. Correct, no? Kha, Kha, Ga, Ga, Nya. Kha, Kamala, Kamal, Ka, Kat, Ga, Gada, Ga, Gadi, Nya. Kha, Kha. Next, it will come as a Cha, Cha, Ja, Ja, Cha, Cha, Ja, Ja, Nya. Cha, Charaka, Cha, Chatri, Ja, Jahar, Jha, Jari, Nya. Next is Tha, Tha, Dha, Tha, Tha, Da, Dha, Na. Tha, Tomato, Tha, Tassa, Tha. What is Tha? Thamaru, Dha, Dakkan, Na. Tha, Tha, Dha, Dha, Na. Okay. Next is Tha, Tha, Da, Dha, Na. This is the new letter I am writing here. Today I am going to learn this one. Tha, Tha, Da, Da, Na. Children, I know that you will get lot of confusion is in the, Gha and Cha. All looks like same, but in the you have to put only short dash. In Gha you have to complete the whole sleeping line for whole word. Okay. In Cha you have to put the circle and straight line. Like that you have to identify the letters. In this, what is the Tha? Tarabuz. Tarabuz means kallangi hannu. Third ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Tarabuz ಅಂದ್ರೆ kallangi hannu. Next is third. Third ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ? Taramas. Taramas ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫ್ಲಾಸ್ಕ್. ಫ್ಲಾಸ್ಕ್ಗೆ ಥರಾಮಸ್ ಅಂತೀವಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ಧ, ಥ, ಥ, ದ, ಧ. ದಗೆ ಧವಾತ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಂಕ್ಗೆ ಧವಾತ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಧ, ಧವಾತ್. ಓಕೆ. ಥ, ಥ, ಧ, ಧ. ದಗೆ ಧನಸ್ಸು, ದನ. Okay. Next is nage null. Null ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಟ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಗೆ null ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ದವಾತ್ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದ್ರೆ ದಾವತ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ದಾವತ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಊಟ. ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಟ್ರೀಟ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ ನಾವು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ದಾವತ್ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ? ಇಂಕ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ. ಓಕೆ. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು try to understand. No need to by heart of these words. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು by heart ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ. ಈ ಅಕ್ಷರ ಮಾತ್ರ just you identify the letters. If it is difficult to you, you go through the what? In the Google or any Indian textbook and you learn only the short one. Okay? Only you need to, yes, in your book they are given darwaza. Okay? Darwaza means door. Okay, which is comfortable for you. You just go through that. This is the Hindi for today. This kaka gagana, cha cha jagana, tha tha dana and tha tha dana. These four are vyanjanas. Okay, these all are varnamalas and these all are vyanjanas. You need to identify letters, and what word will come for that. At least one word you practice. No need to practice of writing, only you practice of oral. The homework is as usual. Homework is as usual. Complete all the pages. Okay, we need to complete all the pages till na. Okay, na ಬರೋವರೆಗೆ ಏನು pages ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನ you need to complete. The page number is like na. It's a 67. Page 60. One second. Page 67. Till that you need to complete all the pages of Hindi. Okay. This is today's language class. Children, try to complete all the pages within the time, so it will be easy for you to start the new page once I teach to you. Now we are going to our next class, that is EVS. What we were learning? Mind, planted, trees. Correct, Alla? We were learning my planted trees. Plant. In that, what we learned? The first stage we learned. What is that? My planted tree. What is a plant? How it look like. Correct, no? In that we learned how, when we talk about the plant, first thing what it will come to your mind, it's a green, it's a small, it's a big, it has a leaf, it has a colorful flowers. We will get a fruits and vegetables from the plant. So many things it will come to your mind, no children? Yes, that is called a descriptions of a descriptions of a plant. Plant and ತಕ್ಷಣ ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಮನಸ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. What do you mean by plant ಅಂದ್ರೆ this is a description. Second, next we learned about the life cycle of plant. That is nothing but a germination. Correct? Life cycle of a plant you learned. That is germination. What is the germination? That is the stages. What is that? First, we have to sow a seed to a plant. Okay. From that, the roots will come. Afterward, the stem will grow. From the stem, the leaves will grow. Multiple leaves will grow. Correct? No? With that, the buds will generate. After that, the fruit will come. Sometime, the flowers may come. Correct? No? That is called a stages or life cycle of a plant. Third one, we learned how it grows. How it grows. And ಹೆಂಗ್ ಬೆಳೆಯುತ್ತೆ? What are essential for the growth of the plant? Yes, sunlight, air, water, mainly the soil. Correct? No? Soil gives a minerals for the plant. The air will transfer the food to a plant. Sunlight gives a strength or vitamins to the growth of a plant. Very essential is water. Water also gives a life to grow to the plant. Okay, these all are four things which is very essential to grow the plants. Then what we learned in the fourth point, what are the types of plants? Correct, no? Types of plants. We learned there are three types of plants. One is, how many types of plants we learned? One is small plants, one is big trees, and the third one is creepers. Correct, no? Small plants are small, but they will give a good medicine also, like rose, tulsi plant and cotton plant. Correct? Yes. The second one is big trees like coconut. Then what else? Betel tree, coconut tree, banyan trees. All these are big trees. Correct? Yes. Next one is creepers. As I told you, what is creepers? Creepers are the plants which grow with a support. Either they will take a support of the land or the support of the another plant or with the support of a stick. Example, grapes, pumpkin, betel gourd, but then fruit also. Some fruits also will get on the creepers. Yes, no? Yes, this is a types of plants. Next point is we learn uses of plants. In uses of plants, we learn so many points. That the first one is it is used for a medicine value. It is used for a coffee and tea drink makers. It is we will get a water, fruits and vegetable from the plant. We get a spices from the plant. We get a juice from the plant. It is a sugarcane juice. Then what else? Yes. Can anyone remember? Yes, it is used. The cereals we can get a cereals from the plant like rice, wheat, jawar and all. Then from the roots like a radish, coconut, carrot, cucumber, we will use the roots of the plants. Then what else? We will get oil from the seeds of a flowers, that is a sunflower, sesame, mustard and all. Okay, from that we will get a oils. These are our uses of plants. Next we were moving to flowers. We were discussing about the flowers. So many types of flowers are there. Sorry, excuse me. Like the flowers, what are the uses of flowers? That we will make it as a, that we will use the flowers for the decoration, for the puja items and also good and bad things. I told you no yesterday. Today we are going briefly for that thing. Okay. As we were discussing about the flowers. Yesterday also we learned little bit about the flowers. No, I'll show you some flowers. Okay, you can also make this kind of flowers. Okay, yes. Okay, yeah. This is a rose. This is a lily. Then this is Rajinigandha. Okay. This is marigold. Lavender, periwinkle, lotus, hibiscus, sunflower, jasmine, garbera, rosemary. Can you see rosemary? These look like a leaf, but this is also a flower. Okay, dahlia. Okay, these all are some varieties of flower. Okay, yesterday I told you can make one garden like this. Okay, you can make one garden in your drawing book like this. You can draw a girl or a boy watering with so many colorful flowers. Okay, this is another picture which shows a playing park. Okay, park or garden. Have you seen a garden, children? Yes, what will be there? Yes, there will be a green grasses with so many swings. Yes? Yes. Then what else? Flowers, small and big trees. So many you can see. Birds you can see. Sometimes you can see a sunlight peeping from trees and all. Correct? No? You will enjoy, no? When you go to the park, that too in a sun, where? Sunset time. If you go to a park, you can enjoy so many, a breeze will come, cold weather will be there. There will be lot of birds going back to their homes. Like that you can see. You can enjoy the environment. So today we are going to learn little about garden. Yes, no? Yes. Next, in the flowers, today we will learn little bit about flowers and garden. Okay, I'll write something about the flowers. We will discuss some questions with the flowers. Okay, the first one, which is our national flower? Tell me, which is our national flower? That is lotus. Lotus is our national flower. Next is, which flower used to make perfumes? Which flowers used to make perfumes? Can you tell to me which flowers they will use to make the perfumes? Yes, those flowers are Rajnigandha, jasmine, lavender, and also the lily also. They will use to make the perfumes, agarbattis also. Okay, children? Yes. The third one is which flower used to make cooking oil? Can anyone tell to me? This is very easy, no? Cooking oil ಗೆ ಯಾವ flower ನ use ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ children? Yes? Yes, that is a sunflower. Okay? The next question, I will write it here. Fourth question, which flower called as a king of flowers? ಯಾವ flower ನ ನಾವು king of flowers ಅಂತೀವಿ? Yes, it's a rose. Rose is called as a king of flowers. Then fifth one. Any questions? Yes. How many colors of hibiscus you can see? Which flower grows on water? Yes, these are not something about the flowers. Okay, the last question is, which is your favorite flower? Which is your favorite flower? You have to answer for this also. I have given 7 questions. You have to write the answer. Please don't write with one word. You have to write it in a sentence because you have lot of time. You have to write it with a sentence. How? Which is your national flower? You have to write lotus is our national flower. Children, don't write just lotus. Lotus anta matra baribedi. You will have a lot of time. Take your own time. Copy the spelling, but you have to first read it and learn, then you have to copy. No need to by heart it, just read it and you have to write the spelling for that. Big ones, small one you have to try it yourself. Next is, which flowers used to make perfumes? Which flower used to make cooking oil? Which flower called as a king of flowers? How many colors of hibiscus you can see? Which flower grows on water? Which is your favorite flower? Then you have to write why it is favorite for you. Okay, why it is favorite? Why? ನಿಮಗೆ ಅದು ಯಾಕೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು ಆಯ್ತಾ? Which is your favorite flower and why it is favorite for you. Okay children? Hope you all understood all these things, right? Today we have covered what are things? Maths, EVS and also the general science of safety rules. I have not done the sight words and English because already so many times I have done. Please go through that Discover book again and again. Be prepared with the reading of the para. This when we will meet in the Zoom meet, I will ask you children. Okay? This is the last class of 2020 children. Be happy. You will be expecting a good Christmas Eve from your teacher's side and also a happy Christmas and a New Year. Please welcome a New Year with a bright future 2021. Be happy children. Stay safe at home. Do complete all your homeworks till to date. Okay, keep it ready. Once we will meet, I will correct it all. Okay, don't waste your time. Please utilize your good time of the holiday. Okay children? Yes, we will meet in the next year, that is January 2021. Wish you all a happy, prosperous New Year. Okay, stay safe. Bye.